What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in again on my channel. Thanks for watching. And I'm going to talk about a video today, or a topic today, that there's a lot of split opinions about, and that is going to be whether you should pay your mortgage off early or you should not pay your mortgage off early. What's the benefit? What should I do and why? I'm going to chime in on this today here, and I'm going to tell you guys what I think about it. Now, a lot of people go one certain way and they don't want to have debt. They think debt's bad. They take more the Dave Ramsey approach of things. And then you have the people on the other side that say, well, there's really no benefit to paying off your mortgage. And they go the other side. Now, to tell you guys about myself, I'm a little bit more of a non-traditional type of investor. I don't like a lot of the socially accepted ways of making money, like 401ks, Roth IRAs. And if the majority of people go one certain direction, I find myself like stepping back, analyzing the situation. And then a lot of times I find myself going the complete opposite direction. So that's just me. But yeah, let's talk about this topic today. Mortgage versus no mortgage. Let's go. In my opinion, guys, I don't think there's a certain benefit of paying off your mortgage early. I think you should definitely have a mortgage on your property, and here's why, right? If you pay your house off, you got all this equity sitting in your house, that is equity that you don't have access to. It's money doing absolutely nothing for you unless you A, take out a home equity line of credit, okay, or take out a home equity loan, or sell the property, in which case you're going to have to buy another one or rent. So if you take out an equity loan on your property to access your equity, you're going to be in the same exact position as somebody with a mortgage anyway. So what's the point? So instead of paying off your property early, the game should really be get your mortgage as cheap as possible. The only way that we do this is by playing the market cycle. So every time it makes sense to refinance the property, you refinance the property. You can also do a cash out refinance in which you take some of the equity that you have in your house, and then you can take that equity out. It's a non-taxable event, by the way, guys. This is why I love it so much. You can then invest that money into other things to help offset your income. So you can create passive income with that money that you take out of your property in an equity loan. A lot of people say, well, but Dennis, but what about the risk of foreclosure, right? So what if I break my leg and I can't work? I got the risk of foreclosure. The bank's going to come take my house. Well, I hate to break it to you, but if you pay your house off in full and you don't pay your taxes, the government, they don't care if you paid your house off in full. They're going to foreclose on your house either way. So that risk never goes to zero. There's always going to be some risk involved with foreclosure, whether you have your property paid off or not. Now, if you do invest your money, however, your equity, however, into other things, and you help offset your income and you produce passive income, that automatically also decreases the risk of foreclosure as well. So you can have the best of both worlds if you have a loan on your property. Another thing that people really don't often talk about is inflation, okay? This right here, your dollar is an inflationary currency. So with time, this loses value. Now, the good news is that while the dollar is inflationary, debt is inflationary as well. So $300,000 today is not going to be the same amount as $300 in 20 years from now. So your debt also is inflationary, which is good news. You want that. You want it to be easier to pay off your debt in the future. And besides that point, every time there's some market problems, the government comes out with all kinds of programs to help people that have mortgages, and you're not going to be able to take advantage of any of these government programs if you don't have a mortgage on your house. That's really my way of thinking, guys, when it comes to paying off your house early versus not paying off your house early. Let me know what you guys think. You may agree with me. You may not agree with me. That's fine. Please leave a comment down below. I'd love to know why. I hope to make more videos that benefit you guys and bring you guys value in the future. So please leave a subscribe right here and get more videos like this one here in the future. I'll see you guys next time.